Hello everyone, welcome to Spider Academy. In this video, we will explore the chart menu and we'll see how we can make use of it. So quickly, let's get started. In order to open the chart menu, we will look at the top left corner and click on chart. Here, the first option is new by name and the shortcut is Ctrl N. If I click here, this window will pop up. This is a drop down menu which has the list of exchanges you are subscribed for. If I want to open a NSE cash script, let's say if I open Reliance chart, hit enter, click on Reliance. Okay. Now we have a blank chart open. This is one of the ways. I'll close it. Now the second option, new from group. If I click here, a group selection window will pop up. Here I can select the group I want to choose from. If I click on user defined, I'll have the groups created by me using a technical query, tick query, manually or other different ways. The next is exchange defined NSE. It has multiple groups classified by exchange like sector wise, Nifty 50, Nifty Defense, and other things, SME group. So if I'll click on the first group, which is Nifty 50, I'll have the list of stocks in front of me. If I click on the first stock, Adani Enterprises, I have a chart open. Now I can use the up and down arrow keys on the keyboard in order to scroll this group and rotate within the group and check other scripts. Like you can see the script's name changing when I'm pressing the down arrow key on the keyboard. Similarly, if I'll press the up arrow key, it will rotate in other direction. Okay, so this is another way to open a chart from the group. If I want to clear the screen, I'll go to the chart menu and clear screen. Now the third option, new NSE derivative. Using this option, I can open any derivative chart. Let's say if I open any of the scripts, I click on Nifty. I want to open a future chart of July month. I'll select accordingly and click OK. Now I have Nifty future chart on my screen. Let's clear it and see the next option. Fourth one is new MCX commodity. This will appear only if you are subscribed for MCX Live. Here, if I want to see MCX gold chart or any other commodity chart, I can choose. Let's say if I click on copper, I have the list of expiries to choose from. If I want to select the future, if I want to select the call option, I can choose. If I want the put option, I'll click here. And if I want to open the future chart, I'll click on the future, select the expiry, and then click OK. And I have the chart here. You see NSE cash on the top. In live market, this will show you the live prices fluctuating of the Nifty 50 index. This is for NSE derivative. This is for MCX if you are subscribed for. And this one is for Bank Nifty Spot. And BNF is for Bank Nifty Future. As you can see on the top, NSE cash is written. If I click here, I can open a chart for NSE cash. And if I click on NSE derivative, with control key pressed, I can open another chart for NSE future. If I keep the control pressed and then again click on MCX, I have a gold chart. If I click on Bank Nifty, I have Bank Nifty spot chart. And if I click on BNF with the control key pressed, I can open Bank Nifty futures chart. So these are the multiple different ways to open a fresh chart. In next video, we will explore more about the charts and understand the operations. So that's it for now. Keep learning, keep earning. Bye bye.